I would like to review what I've done so far. For the video camera recording is I ran MSN Recorder Max and I set it up to record the entire screen. And now I want to demonstrate the registration of a Google Voice. So in addition to that, I made a notepad with a Google Voice number, which is 562 562 726 and 2242. Notice that this is what is called an overspell, since it adds an I or it drops an I. So that is the concept of overspell, and I'll write it down in my notes. Over dash spelled overspelled vanity phone numbers. What does it mean that the phone number spells fewer characters than its matching vanity phone name, so to speak? So for that purpose, you have to drop the I. Think about it. Drop the I for income. So put some message like that. Drop the I for income. And you have to make a note of it to be sure that people that are trying to dial do not include an extra character, because it will not work on a cellular phone number. It will work on a landline. Interrupt me not. The landline will automatically drop any letter or any character past the 10 characters of a US phone number. So I'm putting it in my notes, and I go File, Save to update my notes. Okay, in addition to that, here I've selected the number, and now I want to conclude the selection by pressing the select button. Notice that I'm currently logged into Jobs Coach AI. So I want to select that number, and now Google is asking me, you selected 562 area code 726 2242, and gives me an option to verify it. 2242. And while I'm at it, I can also turn on PSAR, Problem Step Recorder, and record it. But first of all, I want to make sure that I'm setting up the settings to a maximum of 999 screens. 999 and OK. And then I'm going to paste it into and start recording. And then I'm going to paste the message into my notes, into my notepad, which I have open here by Control V. So I'm copying again, and I want to make sure that Google doesn't switch the number on me and gives me some other number. So I'm going Control V again to paste the message, and File, Save. And then I select Verify, to see what Google will do. And Google has to send code or verify by phone. So I'm going to choose a phone number. It is now Air open. Now Air. Yes, I want to show that it doesn't work. Air open, which is another vanity phone number. And now I'm going to convert it to digits. 669 247. Repeat what I say if you can. 6736. I'm going to paste this number, but I want to verify by phone, not by SMS. What is the reason, Sarah? No. The reason I want to prefer by phone because then I can record the message that Google says. So I select verify by text is the other alternative, and now I'm pasting the phone number that I just read to you by Control V. And I pasted it, and now I'm going to select call. So it says this phone number cannot be used to verify new accounts because it's managed by Google Project 5, which is false. Try verifying with another number. Okay, so then I'm going to put up another number, which is da psych psych co, which converts to the following digits: 843 779 2 2 4 2 6. So I'm going to copy that number to the clipboard buffer. Can you repeat it? And as you can see now, I have to lower my notepad because it reaches the top of the screen and chops off the menu. So I selected copy, and now I go back and try to paste that and see if that will work any better. So I'm pasting that phone number, and now I click call. Google Voice could not verify this number via phone. Would you like to verify by text message instead? So I say, okay, I'm going to verify by text message, and I select it. And now it gives me back, enter the code you received.
Okay, use code. Here it is. 55
55
55 8703.
8703.
55
Yes,
8703.
yes. And I click verify and finish. It says the phone number added has been successfully linked to your account and will ring when someone calls your Google Voice number. So I'm clicking finish. It's not perfect yet. And wait for it to say, now I'm going to dial the number and see if it works. You understand? Or I can call the number from another phone. So I can take my phone here. I can call the number, right? I have to dial 1 first. Are you sure? I dial 1 5 6 2 726 2242. 42 and talk.
It may take a time for them to connect it.
Fine.
Hello. Please state your name after the tone, and Google Voice will try to connect you.
AV calling 562. Can you accept, please?
Accept. It's working.
Can you hear me? So it is working fine. So I'm hanging up. I press off. Oh, it works. So now that I got it to work, I'm I'm going to put it in my notes. Fine. Yes. Just put it here. Thank you. Thank you. I'm going file. Now I can add to it also the phone, the video file name. So I'm going to the top of the file where I had the video file name. I'm going to copy and make another copy of this file. Now I want to include the video file name, embed this video file name in my file name. I'm going to go edit or just Control C. Every time I have to lower it, that is the problem with Microsoft. Everything is so buggy. Edit, still not low enough. In order to display the entire menu, I have to go way down. Edit, copy to the clipboard buffer, then move it up a little. Then I want to insert it before the job coach AI ad or after that. So I'll insert it after that, Control V to paste it, and it will end up with .txt. I also want to eliminate some extra spaces. So I don't need to have this space in here. So I'm going to back up one character, job coaches, and there's no period. Now I would like to make this the new file name. So I want to go edit. And notice every time that I want to copy and paste with the menu, I have to lower it down. Edit, copy, and then File, Save As. Now I'm waiting for the dialog box, and I want to paste the new file name and override the old one. So Control V to paste. And now I want to copy to the clipboard buffer. So I place the cursor on it first, then right mouse click and copy to the clipboard buffer, then save it. And now I'm ready to go to the very top of the file and insert it at the very top of the file as the latest and greatest. Edit, paste, and file, save. And now that I finished with that, I want to stop the recording on my camera software. I'm going to press the stop button and then try to play it back. That took 16 minutes from beginning to end.